Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price, low miles, and loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, keyless ignition, steering wheel controls, USB audio interface, power panorama sunroof. With these ratings, take a ride in the 2016 Tiguan. With Volkswagen Tiguan, it's good to be turbo. Turbo with class, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, all-wheel drive, backup camera, navigation system, alloy wheels, power steering, cruise control, child safety locks, power brakes. Come see the car for yourself.
Every certified pre-owned Volkswagen comes with a limited warranty, 24-hour roadside assistance, and peace of mind knowing that it passed a comprehensive inspection. That's 3 major reasons to go out and buy yourself a certified pre-owned Volkswagen. See your dealer for details.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.